How to check app version on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to iPhone Storage. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. You can also find recommendations for freeing up space, such as offloading unused apps or managing photos and videos. Now, scroll down to see all the apps and how much space they're taking up. Tap on any app from here. For example, Call of Duty. As you can see, you can view the app version below the app name over here. Following these steps, you can easily check app version on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.